This unit is a self-contained workshop to assemble hydraulic hoses using Caterpillar hose and coupling products and tooling to the required contamination control standards. While the concept of a hose container is not new, what it is new is that this container is an extension of the Caterpillar hose system, which includes Caterpillar OEM hose and couplings, hose assembly tooling, and information and reference systems that combined meet the most strict safety standards in hose assembly. Generally speaking, hose containers help customers by reducing machine downtime associated with hydraulic hose failures. A hose container provides the ability to manufacture hoses on site, much quicker than calling someone to come and replace that hose. CAT hose containers are different from the competitors because they reduce operating costs to our customers. By having a CAT container on site, customers only have to replace that hose once, and is made with OEM components to strict Caterpillar specifications, and without having any added delivery delays or costs. It also allows for that hydraulic hose to be assembled faster and safer using Caterpillar hose tooling. The Caterpillar hose system provides our customers with the safest, most reliable connections. We're in control of the tolerances and quality, from the manufacturing of that bulk hose and couplings all the way through the assembly of that hose. Let's go inside and take a closer look. This is our hose saw station. Our selection of hose saws are equipped with steel blades, which provide cleaner cuts, low smoke and contaminants compared to traditional abrasive saws. In this specific container configuration, we have a production type saw. This is our hose crimper. It is computer controlled and it guides the user through the die selection and the crimp dimensions for a specific hose type. All the user has to do is look at the bulk hose and follow the instructions on the computer. The computer also has the ability to manage users, a feature that would be beneficial to prevent unauthorized users from operating the machine. This is our hydrostatic test bench. There are increasingly strict safety standards in the fluid power industry. This unit was introduced to address those safety standards. It is computer controlled and is designed to have the same touch and feel and to integrate with our computer controlled crimpers and our hose labeling system. All the user has to do is look at the hose type being tested, enter in the computer, and the computer will select the parameters to which that hose should be tested to. In addition, this unit creates a database which would enable users to have a documented quality control process for their hose assemblies. With a CAT hose container on site, a customer can expect a significant reduction on machine downtime, since they will be able to assemble hoses on site without additional costs or time delays. Customers can also expect an easy-to-follow hose assembly process, and because Caterpillar hose and couplings cover all major industry standards, they can be used on CAT, mixed fleet, and a range of industry applications. These containers and the CAT tools are built to high quality standards and to last for years of operation.